Hello, this video is to help you eliminate a rattle that takes place at high speeds in a 2016, and probably other years too, a GMC 1500 Sierra. The rattle only takes place at high speeds, say around 50 to 70. It rattles like crazy. It sounds like it's coming from the windshield. Maybe you'll think it's coming from your shark fin up top, but it's not. You think it's coming from your dash. A lot of people tell you it's coming from your dash. It's not. I found out where this thing's coming from, and it's coming from the air inlet cowl. And that air inlet cowl, let me turn my video camera around here. See if I can. I might not be able to. Okay, so it's right there. This piece of rubber right there is dry rotted, and so I've just spent 600 miles driving down, getting driven crazy. So on the way back home, I'm going to cut that dry rotted piece off, and then I'll replace the air inlet cowl when I get home. But I'll let you know in the following video. I'll piece everything together and let you hear whether or not this was successful. I'm sure it's going to be, because it sounds exactly like it when I tap on it and somebody's sitting in the interior of the truck. All right, hope this helps you. Okay, so just to follow up, 600 miles later, back home. This is what I cut off, just the dry rotted piece that was already broken, that was flapping in the wind. It looks something like that now. And like I said, I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna replace it when I have time. I've already looked online. Seems like the part is about $200 for the entire piece. So I'll go ahead and get that ordered and get that installed. But no more rattle, none at all. So hope this helps. I know it drives me crazy trying to figure it out. So hope this helps you.